So Carrie Furnace is right over there. We're gonna explore what's on the other side up here. Something new. Take my bike up so I can ride on up there. Gnarly staircase here. Hike a bike. Okay. There's that side. There's this side. Let's go this way. Never been here before. Oh, parking lot. Someone's hanging around here. There's a whole parking lot here. And brand new road. What's beyond that? What's that all connect to? Let's explore. Trail, freshly painted. It's cool to have something new to check out. Just connect to the rest of this. That's up there. So that ends there. I'll ride up this thing. Oh boy. Oh, the surface. Oh boy, that wasn't good. This surface is just too messy for this bike. Let's see what's up here. Oh, it's a whole mountain bike. Yeah, this is slag forest. Is it? This doesn't go anywhere though. Let me ride on the road. I don't want to bike down this. Not with this bike. Not with this sand. Let's go up. Should go around. Steep. It's steep. What does that say? Trail? Yeah, I guess it's officially some kind of trail. Yet unnamed. Yet not on the. Yet to be put on the map. That goes somewhere. Someone's home? Or what? Let's go this way though. Okay, it's an actual road that already existed. It doesn't connect. Where's the other thing go then? Does this go anywhere? Does this just end? This must be the Slag Force mountain bike route. I'm gonna stop here.